It's been a little over a month since we moved into this apartment, and we are slowly getting things organized and settling in, and we've made some progress overall, but today I want to focus on finishing up the living room, or at least this first round of decorating the living room, because I know this is going to be a long process just to get the apartment fully there. Before you ask about an apartment tour, there actually will be an apartment tour coming out right after this video, so today I'm just focusing on this like living dining room area, but my next video should be a full apartment tour. Again, it's going to be like version 1 of an apartment tour because I'm planning to redo with like renter friendly DIYs all the different rooms in the apartment. If you've seen my moving vlog, then you'll remember that the living room looked like this as we were moving in. Since then, we've set up our TV stand and TV, we have an armchair, set up my new desk, sort of cleared the dining room area, and set up this bookcase in the corner. What I want to do next is just clean up a bit because there's some clutter just throughout the room, so want to get a bit of a clean slate, and then we'll do the fun part, which will be a little bit of decorating. The main decor I want to set up for the living room are these picture ledges that I want to mount above the sofa right here. And I used to have these above my desk in our old apartment, but I want to repurpose them. And instead of stacking them on top of each other, I'm going to basically make them into one long ledge above the sofa. And the reason I'm opting for picture ledges is 1, to just repurpose what we already have, and 2, so that I can switch out the artwork without having to like remount things or anything like that. I'm prepping the shelves now, so just taking some masking tape and placing it on the back of the shelves where the holes are, and then taking a Sharpie and marking those holes. Then I just did some measuring just to make sure I was placing the shelves in the right place. And once I had the laser level ready on the wall, then I just placed the tape and could start drilling. We've got our markings all up on the wall and put up these post-it notes to catch the drywall when we drill. The shelves are up. We're just testing it out. I'm gonna play around with what prints we're putting up there. This is a good time to tell you about this video's sponsor, which is Desenio. If you've seen my videos from our previous apartment, you know that I've worked with Desenio before, and I have some Desenio prints that I placed above my desk. It can be pretty difficult to pick out art and get art that goes well together, but Desenio has such a good collection. They have really trendy, high quality Scandinavian style prints and frames. They have so many categories from abstract to nature to photography, and they're constantly updating their collection, which means they have something for everyone. They even have their own in-house design team so that you can get exclusive prints that you can only find at Desenio. I know I've got a lot of viewers from all over the world, and luckily Desenio ships worldwide, including the US, in 4 to 7 days. You can use my code kchoi10 for an extra 10% off of their big on-site sale. That code is for prints excluding frames and personalized items, and is valid until March 7th at midnight. Thank you so much, Desenio, for sponsoring this video and gifting me some prints. Let's figure out the configuration now on the wall. Okay, we've got our prints up. I like the way that they're arranged now, but because it's a picture ledge, I can always switch it up, which is nice. And it already makes the living room look so much more personalized, but I'm gonna add a few other final things and then we will call it a day on the living room. I have a couple of like pots and planters on the bookshelf. For this one, which is like a really cool stackable round one, I want to put these fake plants. These are just like fake string of pearls that I got online. There are still a few things that we need to sort out. Like I've got some other prints here that are probably gonna go in the hallway. I have like my ring light, need to figure out how to store that. We have some fans that I'm just leaving there for now. But I think version 1 of the living room is complete. I love how everything's coming together. By the way, there's some furniture here that is new that you will not recognize from our old apartment, and I will have another video talking about these pieces. And if we look over at the dining room area, the kitchen is still a mess, so it's not really complete, but I did add another just fake plant up there just to add some more greenery. That took us like a little over 3 hours. We're probably gonna go get dinner soon, but I hope you enjoyed this video and watching me tidy up and decorate our living room. Again, there are still a few things that we need to figure out about the living room, and then we gotta move on to all the other rooms, but there will be an apartment tour coming soon, version 1, where things aren't updated or decorated yet. I'm excited to show you the process and bring you on the journey. Thank you again to Senio for the beautiful prints and for sponsoring this video. Again, all the info about the discount code will be in the description box. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!